Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, and in this video I am going to talk about this one particular thing which you can just buy and forget. Just one. Eventually, if you do it in a systematic manner, this can beat mutual fund returns as well in the long term. So yep, I would just definitely give you the name of this particular thing and also two major factors for you to look at, that so that you can just look at it and be confident enough for yourself that yes, you can do this in a systematic manner and which can eventually beat mutual fund returns in the long term. Before we start this video, I would highly appreciate that if you subscribe to our channel, because that would really motivate us, and do let me know down in the comment section below if you have any queries there regarding this, and like this video as well if you want to show us some support. So straight away, let's get started with this video and understand what is this thing and what are the two major factors which I'm trying to indicate in here. So the first thing which we are going to basically understand is the statistical economical data, and through that, after analyzing, we are going to understand whether the company, or the country, is bullish or bearish, right? So just look at all these data which I'm showing you, and overall you can yourself understand what is happening in India or not. So looking at the GDP data in here, we have significantly risen our GDP data over the last 4 years, and despite hitting with a very bad COVID where restrictions had happened, India is still outperforming a lot of many developed nations as well compared to them, right? So coming back to the next thing, which is basically understanding all the other sectors growth, and according to which could benefit the overall population, and after analyzing that, you will have a much more better clue in here. So looking at the health sector, India has obviously spent a lot more over the last few years and has significantly increased their expenditure in the last few years over the healthcare sector. And coming back to the education sector, you can actually find out that every 5 years this data comes in, and over that you can clearly understand that the illiteracy rate has clearly significantly jumped up over the last many decades. So definitely India is a bullish is having a bullish sentiment for all the DIIs or FIIs for an investment. And not only that, if you look at the labor force, which is every single year, the literacy rate is the unemployment rate is obviously decreasing every single year compared to the last 2020 year in here, which is obviously because of the COVID restrictions. There was a lot of unemployment, and mind that even though you're seeing that it is 5.33 to 5.98, you need to understand that we have not yet had the data for 2020 to 2021 in here, which I feel that it could be definitely a lot less, because of the sole reason that many sectors in here have opted for a lot of more employment, like the IT sector and other sectors in there. And similarly, we have a lot of other startups coming in which have generated a lot of employment and also have brought in a lot of revenue as well, right? So this was the first thing in here which for you to understand that yes, is India being bullish or not. And similarly, you can look at other data in here according to your own wish, right? The website's name is macrotrends.net. So the second aspect in here is basically understanding the technical aspects of a particular chart. Do not worry by just looking at the charts. It doesn't matter. You can easily master them by just clicking on the video above and this I button, and you can clearly watch it. How do you basically draw zones and price action patterns in there, right? So after that, I just want to make sure that what is the difference between investing near these zones or doing a SIP every single month. So let's just go and previously take an example in here. Let's assume you have invested on close to around 1st of March when the price was closely around in here, right, near the zone. And second time, when are you going to invest? You are going to invest at the 1st of April, which is the next month. Now, understanding the difference that from April in here to March in here, there is not much of a big difference. As you can see that this is the only gap you have. Now, even after investing in that manner, you wouldn't have made much profits in here. But let's assume that you have invested some amounts in here at this particular zone, then some amounts in here at this particular zone, and also when you have given a breakout in here at this particular zone. So not even waiting for breakouts, just investing near these zones over a long period of time. At every single time whenever it is breached, you can just straight away and put in the money, and you can straight away get good returns compared to mutual funds. So now you must be wondering that what is this particular thing which I'm talking about to just buy and forget, right? It is very simple. Just go ahead and search in your broker's search column as Nifty Bees in here, and just look at the NSE one and buy it. Now, if you just look at it, the pricing is only around close to 190 rupees. So you don't have to basically worry that if you're a student, you have no excuse for not to invest. Now, the major rule in here is that at every zone, you're going to invest the same equal amounts. It doesn't matter if it is taking a support, resistance, or breaking out or breaking down. Make sure your average is always equal, and even if you're increasing your investment levels, increasing your investment amounts, make sure that you keep it in a consistent manner, and every single zone comes in, you invest it or increase the amount for a long period of time. And this can easily beat out mutual funds by close to around 5 to 10 percentage, or even 15 to 20 percentage, according to the market's conditions. So that's all for the video, folks. If you did like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. That would really motivate us to make such more videos. And also let me know down in the comment section below if you have any other queries. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and bye bye.